Hey guys, welcome back to Java tutorial series. In today's lecture, we will be studying about our next mathematical library method, which is math.round. Math.round is basically a rounding of function which helps us to round off a particular decimal value according to some given principles or rules. So, if the system has received a value from the user or by initializing which has a fractional part less than 0.5, the system will convert or round it off to an integer which is adjacent to it and is lower than that value. So if it was 7.2, then system will round it off to 7. Now if the system would have received a value which was having a fractional part greater than 0.5, then system would have or will round it off to number which is greater than that, a integer number, which is basically, now if the system has received 7.7, the system will round it off to 8. Now what will happen in the case of 0.5? In the case of 0.5, the system will round it off to the adjacent number which is greater, basically an integer which is greater than that value. So if it was 6.5, then system will round it off to 7. To understand this better, let's write a small program. As you can see on your screen, I have written the basic program which has the header files. Declare this scanner class. Now we will write a main program. Let's initialize a variable double. C is equal to 2.45 and a semicolon at the end. Now we will store the value after rounding off using the math.round statement in the variable d using the statement double d is equal to math.round. In braces we will write the variable which has the value, in this case c, and a semicolon at the end. Now we will initialize another variable with some value in the double data type again. So double a is equal to 3.56 and a semicolon at the end. Now we will round off the value using the statement double de is equal to math dot round. In braces we will write the variable which has value, in this case a, and a semicolon at the end. Now we will give our output as d and de because these have the value after rounding off. So let's write d, some white spaces, and de. So let's compile this. As you can see, it is no syntax error. Now we will try to run a program. The system has rounded off the value and given as 2.0 and 4.0 because 2.45 has a fractional part less than 0.5 and 3.56 has a fractional part greater than 0.5. So this is the application of math.round statements. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any sorts of doubt, you can ask me in comment section below. Thank you.